Whoa, what up? What's Zam? You already know the drill. Look, today we're going to get straight into it. No box, no paper, no nothing. It is the Air Jordan 9 All-Star in this white and black colorway. Now, me personally, I'm not a big fan of this colorway, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? If you're feeling it, do what you do. Now, you can see that white tumble leather all throughout the shoe. You got that black nubuck. Nice quality nubuck, too. You know what I'm saying? Right here under the bottom, you see they got that white milky sole with the black Jumpman. Got that hard plate right there on the midfoot. It's an okay shoe, you know what I'm saying? I mean, to each his own though. Right there on the tongue, you see that gold Air Jordan logo. Now, you know, I ain't gonna make this one too long, man. I just want to give y'all a quick look at them. You know, some of y'all probably saw them already or whatever. I've been a little behind on my reviews, you know what I mean? But it's all good. We're going to keep this content coming, though. Now, taking a closer look at the shoe, man, you can see that nubuck. See those black laces. See that white tumbled leather circling around the bottom of the shoe. It's an okay shoe to me, you know, but personally, it's not my cup of tea, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. Now looking on the back, you see you got that gold Jordan World Jumpman logo with the 23 stitched at the bottom. Got the black pull tab on the back. It's a dope little shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just not feeling the colorway. You know what I mean? The quality on them is nice. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, I mean, still got me a pair. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just saying, I'm not really a fan of the way they put this colorway together. You know what I mean? But yeah, here's a look at that milky sole. You know what I'm saying? It's a pretty cool shoe. You know, I think these might sit. I'm not sure. But let me know in the comments what you think. You planning on copping? You gonna pass? You waiting on something else? Let me know what it is, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, man, I mean, it's a pretty self-explanatory shoe. You know what I'm saying? They switched the colors around. Added that milky sole at the bottom. Nice little touch. You know what I mean? But, like I said, it's not for me. You know, it's not nothing I'll go crazy over. You know what I'm saying? But I will be rocking them, though. You hear me? But, yeah, man, that was my look at the Air Jordan 9 All-Star. I think they call it LA All-Star or something. I don't remember. But, look, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAv504 and at The Sneaker Peddler. And I'ma holler back.